Hey guys, hi. I'm sorry it's been so long since I uploaded. Life just kind of got really insanely crazy and blew up in this crazy busy whirlwind of things for me, but in a really good way, which is super crazy to say, but I finally quit Jimmy John's. I'm so happy that I did that. I quit in May because I got a job teaching summer camp as their art teacher. Pretty legit summer camp program. And so I did that for June and July, and I had the time of my life, and the kids loved me, and all the counselors loved me, and it was just felt like a really great fit. And I did such a good job that one of the teachers got me a job teaching there, and it's a private school and it's really hard to get into as a teacher, and I'm just so incredibly grateful. I'm teaching one part-time class. I'm teaching part-time, one class, and it's 6th grade art, and we're just having the best time ever. We've only had 4 classes so far, but all the kids are so excited for everything we're gonna do, and it's just really great. And I love working with kids, and it's just like my favorite thing ever. And I get to also pursue my art career alongside of it because it's part-time, and I have a huge mural coming up, which I just picked up the check for, and I will show you. Oh my god, you guys, I'm so pumped. Thank you so much for being so patient. This year is about to get so much better, and I'm about to show you guys all the stuff. Again, I'm so sorry for how long I've been gone. Life just went like at 100 miles per hour out of nowhere really quickly, and now we're slowing back down, and that gives me more time to get back into YouTube because it is so amazing, all of the kindness and love and support I've gotten on here, and I just can't wait to repay you guys with some really great stuff, and just honestly just be here showing you guys what I'm doing. Yeah, lots more to come. I'm sorry this video is so informal. I just needed to give you guys an update, and I kept pushing it off because I'm like, I don't look cute enough to film an update video. I look so horrible right now. Let's not film anything. And I'm just like, maybe you should just film something and post it. Crazy concept, I know. Alright, anyway, I have to get going, but I'll check in with you guys soon. Stay tuned for a 115-foot mural, first one ever. I'm so excited! Alright, love you guys. I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, please excuse my appearance right now, excuse the state of my hair, we're not gonna talk about it. Thank you. Yeah, so it is January right now. It's been a minute. I really apologize for how long it's been, but my main goal this year is to get back into YouTube and just to really start my YouTube career. I know that sounds stupid, or maybe it doesn't, I don't know, but I
I have so many people that I look up to on here, and I really just want to pursue my dream of being an artist and, you know, reaching as many people as possible and just trying to uplift a lot of people. And yeah, just thank you so much for all the support that I've gotten so far. I literally cannot believe it, and I am so incredibly grateful for every single one of you, each and every one of you. Really, just you guys make my day, and I would not be here without you. So thank you from the bottom of my heart, and I'm just so excited. I have a lot of videos, a lot of footage, a lot of ideas that I want to share with you, and yeah, just thank you so much for being so patient and so supportive and so loving and caring, and here's to a great 2025. I just want to take you guys on the journey with me, and I got into a couple of art shows this year, so hopefully that keeps happening. But anyway, I love you guys. I will see you soon, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Mwah.